Namaste everyone, I am Pradeep Dhakal from Kathmandu University School of Arts studying Bachelor in Media Studies. As a part of our media curriculum, today we are going to talk about nature and objective of ethics. Ethics or moral philosophy is a branch of philosophy that involves systemizing, defending and recommending concept of right and wrong conduct. Ethics seeks to resolve question of human morality by defending concepts such as good and bad, right and wrong, virtue and vice, justice and crime. It is the branch of knowledge that governs right and wrong conducts and behavior of an individual, profession, group or organization. So, nature of ethics. Nature of ethics refers to normative standard of behavior pretending to the ideal code of conduct of human being. Ethics is analytical. Every human behavior has some philosophical or moral principle base, and thus the branch of study helps to analyze that. It is highly individual activity and has been very crucial in every status to present ideal in resolving problems dealing with human morality concept like right or wrong, good or evil, virtue and vice, justice and crime. The individual is at the core of ethics. Sometimes ethics is abstract in nature. It is not like the manual system. It is not necessary that it has been expressed in general rules or statement. Ethics is normative science. It is concerned with what ought to be done rather than what is the case. Normative ethics deals with standard or norms by which we can judge human action to be right or wrong. Ethics is not a practical science. Practical science deals with the means for realization of an end or ideal. It teaches us to know how to do like medical student in practical science, but ethics is not concerned with the means in order to achieve moral ideal, that is rightness or goodness. It does not teach us how to live a moral life, so ethics cannot be regarded as a practical science. Ethics is not an art. Ethics is not art, as art deals with acquisition of skill to produce object, while morality deals with motive, intention, purpose and choice, which are considered right or wrong in the light of goodness. Ethics is subjective. There is just no right answer. It may depend on the individual religion or culture or reasoning. For instance, it is wrong if the person steals to feed their family. Moral judgment are expression of preference or personal opinion, and therefore there is no moral way for deciding between these two conflicting judgments. Ethics can only be applied to human beings, as we are the one who have the capacity for moral judgment. We cannot expect ethical behavior from animals, as they are not as intelligent as human beings are. So ethics is exclusively for human beings. Variable nature. Ethics is not static. Human beings change and the morality and ethical perspective in them also change. Objective of ethics. It deals with human behavior. Assess whether a particular act or decision taken by individual is moral or not. Establish moral standard and norms and behavior. Judge human behavior based on standard. Assess the human behavior and express the opinion. Set the standard code for moral behavior.